Hi guys, welcome back to SP Global Solution. And so today we are going to start a new session for software testing. So in this video we are going to discuss about the demo session of software testing. So guys, before introducing the software testing, we need to know some basics. So in generally software development we require three sectors. One is designers, and then developers, and then testers. When these three peoples are combined, then only we can develop a quality software. What is the role of these designers means they will they will plan the architecture of the application. What they will plan? Architecture of the application. Developers will write the coding. Testers will test the application. If the tester can give the application was getting a pass results, then only we are going to releasing to the market. So coming to the definition, what is a software testing means? It is one of the process in software development. Okay, and here testers are involved and they will check whether the developed software was developed properly or not. Okay, so this is the definition of software testing, basic definition. So what they will do, like application was developed, so they are checking that it was properly developed or not. So why they need to test the application means, why? Because guys, when a software was developed, it is not a simple thing. There is a lot of budgets we have and lot of efforts we spend it. So 5 months of time we spend it and 1 crore budget we spend it. So for that purpose, if we are release the software into market, it required some basic quality, then only users able to use our application. So that is the reason, if we are properly tested the application, then we can reduce the negative reviews of the software application. Now here I am going to declare somewhat the main goal of software testing is finding the defects and delivery quality software. Okay, so they need to find the defect means nothing but a mistakes. We need to find the mistakes and deliver a quality software. And software testing follows two types. One is manual testing and the second one is automation testing. Yeah, okay guys, so this is about this video. Here we introduced that software testing was follows in two types, and what is that manual and what is that automation we are going to discuss in a first session of the testing tutorial. So this is just for demo session for software testing. So here we have discussed that what is a software testing and what is the goal of software testing, and next session we are going to explain each and every testing types. Thank you guys, thanks for watching and keep supporting to SP Global Solution. Thank you.